We're going to be installing our Malwood clutch pedal assembly. This bolts up right to our stock brake pedal assembly. It goes in pretty clean, pretty easy. Dustin's going to walk us through it.
I had to get real nimble whenever I got in this truck. Basically, I had to remove the entire interior for me to flip over and get in there. But
yeah, definitely a pro tip. Lay something down if you're laying on this hush mat or Dynamat or whatever you guys are running. You're going to get that goo all over you. It does not come off your shirts and pants.
Or boots, and boots and pants, and boots and pants, and boots and pants and shirts.
Yikes. So we were able to pre-assemble these pedals. You take out your old brake pedal assembly. You're going to make a small cut on there, change that bracket just a little bit, and you're going to install your Malwood pedal, just bud it up right to that, and then we can get in the truck and have Dustin install that.
It ain't gonna work like that. Go like that. And that hit that. Ooh. And that.
So we reached out to I Did It. They sent us a really nice, really nice steering column. It's a tilt column for a floor shifter because we know we're going with a manual transmission in this. Have everything all taped up because the finish on it's real nice. I didn't want to scratch it. Super easy to install. They have great instructions. Just unplug a couple harnesses and plug them back in, and make sure you put that up in there before your brake and clutch pedal assembly.